Hello guys, this is our collective love reading. Collective to, wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang reading ay kung makaka-relate ka, makaka-resonate ka, maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Pero kung hindi, okay lang, may mga next readings pa naman tayo. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Or if you want to try my reading, no, open tayo ngayon. Limited offer dyan sa aking TikTok shop. Hanapin mo lang Unipree sa TikTok shop. Okay, let's start. This is for the sign of collective. By the way, pagpasensya mo na yung aking card. Medyo luma na to, pero na itong cards na ito ay one of my favorites. So, I will be using this for now. Pero pagpasensyahan mo lang kasi medyo mahirap siyang i-shuffle. Okay. So, let's start. This is for the sign of collectives. Collectives. You do have here the Queen of Wands. The Devil. Seven of Swords. What do I feel? Ito medyo weird yung feeling na nakuha ko sa'yo. You are having fun. You are having fun in a way na masaya ka with the connection with this person. With the Devil, I feel like alam mong mali na maging masaya. Some of you maybe alam mong mali na makipag-connect dito sa taong to, but you're still holding on. Nakikita natin kung paano ka napapasaya nitong taong ito, kung paano niya na ilalabas yung inner desire mo. And I can see the Lilith, no, sa astrology. I can see Lilith, which is the black moon. And I'm seeing it as like your energy na parang as much as possible tinatry mo i-control, but you know in your heart that you really do like this, gusto mo to, you really do like this connection. And the communication na ibinibigay or ipinapakita sa'yo, because maybe this person na nakikipag-connect sa'yo has a lot of emotions, a lot of feelings, no, na naipapakita or naipaparamdam sa'yo. And I can see a lot of braveness or courage mula dito sa taong ito na nakakapagpa-ignite pa sa'yo, yung parang lalo kang natutuwa sa ipinapakita or kinikilig ka rin sa mga bagay na sinasabi niya. But you're trying to, discipline yourself. Because with the Seven of Swords, I feel like there's someone in your connection, lalo na sa side mo, ang hindi pumapabor, hindi natutuwa sa connection nito. This is showing to me as like bawal na pag-ibig. Like maybe your mother, or maybe your relatives, or maybe another person, no, karelasyon, na pwedeng nagiging dahilan kung bakit parang kailangan mong iwasan or may magagalit dito sa connection na ito, no? So may pagpipigil, pagtitimpi ka na ginagawa pagdating sa person na to. So sino ba tong person na to? What I can see here with the Devil, yung desire mo, pagka gusto mo rin. Maaaring pagkagusto na mag-take ng risk or something. You do have here the Page of Swords. I feel like with the Seven of Swords then pwedeng something ang nakuha mo na sa kanya, or maybe dito sa person na nagagalit. Like kaya hindi kanya basta-basta pwedeng i-let go. Some of you, if this is a relationship, maybe the other person is telling you na parang hindi ka pwedeng umalis or what, kasi may relasyon tayo, or maybe if you do have children, yan, may kinalaman sa children, or maybe some of you, something to do with, virginity, yung mga ganong bagay. Hindi pwede kasi na the virginize mo na ako, so hindi pwede. your mind, parang ganun. So, someone is getting mad here. But anyway, take only what resonates. Pwede namang walang kinalaman doon. And this is the person that you're dealing with. Nine of Pentacles, the Judgment, the King of Cups, and the Page of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the King of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles. Itong person na ito, maybe you're dealing with someone na may mga inaaral or currently busy pagdating sa pagle-level up sa kanyang sarili. King of Cups, this person loves you a lot. So, there's a lot of emotions. With the Judgment, maybe a person na may spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa, like maybe soulmate kind of energy. And with the Nine of Pentacles, like something is telling me na kaya mo nakilala tong taong to, or kaya ipinakilala sa'yo, kaya dumating sa buhay mo, ay dahil may spiritual connection kayo. Like, talagang namamagnet siya papunta sa'yo. May ganun. Anyway, take only what resonates. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. I don't find this person a sweet person. Hindi ko siya nakikita as sweet person. Pwedeng, I don't know, maybe kaya lang siya naging sweet because spiritually, this person is feeling the need na maging sweet siya or maging open siya sa'yo. Pwedeng ganun. So, pero hindi naman talaga siya sweet na tao eh. Parang sa'yo lang. You know what I mean? Anyway, emotions. The High Priestess is here, Nine of Swords. The Three of Wands. You do have here the Two of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. Hindi ko naramdaman dito yung emotion ng person mo. Might be this is you. This is you. You do have choices. You do have choices na pwedeng hindi mo alam kung ano nang iti-take dito. Hindi mo alam kung sino ang pipiliin mo. You do have here the High Priestess. So, medyo malalim yung spiritual connection and maybe nararamdaman mo yun because the High Priestess pwedeng may pagle-level up din ng spirituality pagdating sa'yo. Nine of Swords, nasasaktan ka, nahihirapan ka. You miss this person pero I feel like hindi mo masabi sa kanya. Namimiss mo siya, gusto mo siya, but you know, talagang pigil na pigil. You know? And there are times that you're having dreams about this person na parang this connection with this person, napaka-unique niya actually. But, you know, pwedeng yeah, you really do miss this person. Pero parang wala kang magawa doon. You're waiting for the right time or moment. Pero hindi ka sure kung kailan. And maybe namimiss mo rin yung emotion or pagpapakita sa'yo ng emotion nitong taong ito. Because maybe may pagkawala regarding doon, communication, connection, and yung dating siya, hindi na siya ganon ngayon. So, yeah. Hindi ko nakuha yung emotion niya kasi maybe lumabas naman na kanina kasi kung gaano ka kamahal itong taong to, but you know, and kung ano yung mga sinabi niya sa'yo, yun na yung reality o realidad tungkol sa emotion niya. So, naging open naman siya pagdating sa kanyang emotions, no? Pagdating sa'yo. But, you are the one who is trying to control or pwedeng yun nga, may mga nagko-control sa'yo. Kaya pagdating sa part na ito, pwedeng hindi mo alam ang gagawin mo, but you're just letting go of the person na talagang mahal mo or talagang gusto mo. Sa ngayon, yun ang mas nakikita natin. Yeah, you're having or may mga ending na nangyayari sa'yo na parang hindi mo naman ginusto. Parang napipilitan ka. But what you truly want is to have a reconciliation or reconnection dito sa taong ito. So, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? You do have here the 8 of Swords, the 4 of Swords, Knight of Cups. What's with the Knight of Cups? 6 of Swords, King of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, the 4 of Cups, the Death card, and the 4 of Cups. Okay. Actually, in the future, nakikita natin na ganun pa rin. You're not doing anything. You're not making any choices, movement, or what. Nagpapakulong ka pa rin or nag-i-stay ka pa rin sa isang sitwasyon kasi you're just being practical. Diba? And maybe may mga bagay kang pinaniniwalaan and maybe you are fully dedicated sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon or kung ano yung mga meron dyan. And I can see you being stubborn, no? Pagdating sa connection na ito. You will still be dreaming about the Knight of Cups. You will be dreaming about relationship, connection sa kanya. There's something mysterious going on here na pwedeng hahantingin ka kahit sa panaginip mo. And that is in the future. Kahit ngayon, nangyayari na sa yan. And in the future, tuloy-tuloy. The 6 of Swords. Kasi you're moving on. You're letting go of something that you truly want. You truly desire. Ay, wala kang magawa dito eh. The King of Pentacles, this is your person. Yeah. Mas magko-concentrate siya sa mga material na bagay in the near future. The Ace of Wands, I feel like there's a new beginning para sa kanya. Ay, 4 of Cups, there's no choice kundi humarap or harapin ng person na ito ang reality, no, regarding sa connection ninyo. Maybe masyado siya nagpakain sa kanyang emotion or sa spirituality, but then na-realize niya, no, kailangan kong gumawa ng pagbabago and mag-focus na lang sa aking duties and responsibilities rather than focusing sa connection natin. Kasi your person is having a rebirth with the death and rebirth. Nagkakaroon siya ng parang focusing on purpose, mga gusto niya mangyari sa buhay niya. And I can see technology, so your person will be focusing sa technology, something to do with technology. So pwedeng yung career niya ay may kinalaman sa technology. Yan, marketing. So, the main parang advice na sa'yo ito eh. You do have the Fool. You need to take the risk. Kailangan mo mag-take ng risk. The 3 of Swords, kasi patuloy ka lang masasaktan or paulit-ulit ka lang masasaktan. Like, if you want something, maliit lang or maiksi lang ang buhay, maybe gumawa ka ng paraan na makuha mo yung isang bagay na gusto mo talaga. And if you need the feeling na kailangan mong mag-let go or i-let go yung mga bagay na tingin mong hindi na nag-work out para sa'yo, then do that. No? Yeah. Because with the 2 of Wands and the 8 of Cups, I feel like there's a better future na naghihintay para sa'yo. But you need to focus on the dito sa Sun, which is this is your ego, this is you na pwedeng alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. No? You need to focus on that. You need to get out of your comfort zone. You need to be brave. You need to learn how to communicate or to be brave pagdating sa iyong emotions. Diba? And yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.